Don't be Jake Paul or the Asian version, and make sure you can actually write.
If you can't write, kidnap someone, and if they refuse, don't feed them.
Find a copyright-free hip-hop beat from YouTube. It should be easy.
Make the video.
Rant or complain, it's all the same. But you make it a completely different name, like cancel culture is giving me AIDS. Just even reading the names, you can't take a joke. It's such a damn shame. By the way, no offense to anyone here with zero brain, the internet has turned into a dark deep pit of hell. No jokes, no opinions, and no safety, especially on Twitter. That's for sure. Now I am done. These words won't be undone but will be forgotten.
Get clowned on Noob.
To your mom's house, I see that is gay. Then I leave. Guess what? Your mom is still gay. Yeah, hey,